WAAKYE is popping. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So today my WAAKYE is here to balance the equation. If you haven't seen my shito recipe, which is the black chili sauce and WAAKYE stew, I will leave the link to it in my description box below. Go check it out after this video. Yeah, so if you cannot find WAAKYE leaf or you don't really care for it like that, then you are at the right spot. For me, I've never used WAAKYE leaf to make my WAAKYE. Anyway, as I always say, no long talk biao. EB2. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 cups of rice, and then I have 4 cups of black eye beans. I like my beans to dominate. Okay, yeah, I'll be using a teaspoon of Kanwa saltpeter. If you don't have saltpeter, you can use bicarbonated soda, which is baking soda, and I'll be using salt to taste. With the saltpeter, you can dissolve it before using it because some have sand in it, but mine doesn't. Yeah, so if you dissolve it, the sand will be at the bottom, then you can use the water. Yeah, my water is boiling now. I'm going to add the saltpeter first. I've washed it. I'll add it to the water and then add my beans. I've washed the beans too. I'll add the beans. The saltpeter Kanwa helps the beans to cook faster. I'll stir it and then let it cook for about 20 minutes. And it gives the beans nice color and taste, which is amazing. Now it's 20 minutes. Now I'm going to check the beans. The beans should be 75% cooked, and yeah, it's perfect. I'm going to wash my rice and then add it to the beans. Now I'm going to give it a stir and then add about half a cup of water because I want my WAAKYE to be combined. I'll also add salt to taste and then give it a good stir and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. It depends on how you want your WAAKYE. Some want it Petre, some want it combined, some want it 1-1. I like my WAAKYE combined. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to check it now. It's getting there, but it's not yet there. I'll give it a stir and then cover it with foil to trap the heat and help the WAAKYE get moist. So I'll let it cook for about 10 minutes on low heat, and then I check. It's 10 minutes now. Let's check. Kai, WAAKYE is screaming. Try this WAAKYE and add the shito recipe to it and add the stew recipe to it. Come and also add your design, which is the macaroni and gari and co. Come, case solved. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let's get popping with yumminess. And also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Till next time, peace.